Maupay nga adlaw ha iyo nga tanan and welcome to another vlog. For today's vlog guys, so layan nato mag-vlog in Waray. I am partly Waray, my mother is Waray, but I wasn't born and raised in Tacloban. But I was constantly exposed throughout my childhood. So please don't judge me sa akong bakikaw nga waray-waray. Kung diri pa kamo maaram, may na direct flights from Davao to Tacloban via Cebu Pacific. So upod na ako na nakon mama pati mga bugto, pareho kami nga tananhin flight and maihan na nag-urupod kami nga amo ini kami kadamo. Tikad to ha Tacloban where my mom's hometown is. So makato kami guys kay birthday kita kon lola. Supposedly guys, surprise and party pero makuri mag-keep him secret. Shout out kay Ate Ai, pareho kami nga rebond girls for this trip. And special thanks sa akong sponsor si Ma'am Marshi for my hair. Cha. Nakukuryan ako mag straight hinwaray guys, lol. But umulpot kami didi sa Tacloban, gabi na guys. And guess what? Diretso kami mamamatron kanda Mara, my cousin. So here we are. O, di ba? Damo-damuan kami, pero diri pa ni Asya. What I love about going to Tacloban is, pero may kalabusog. Puro inihira magrasa magluto, guys. But Auntie Arlene is on another level. So, amo ito, paglaway laanay ka mo. Because this right here, all good food. After a long day, nag-check-in na kami didi hamon Airbnb. This is actually affordable lang guys, good for 4 persons, and I'll put the link in the description box below kung gusto niyo mag-check-in didi gihap. Medyo huot light road tikadi, but generally the house is clean and spacious, and then duha na ka kwarto itaadi, and may the aircon on both rooms.
Mama, where's? Where's Mama? Where's Mama? Hmm? Where's Tita May? Ay! Tita May! Tita May! Tita May! Yay! Where's Nina? Where's Nina? Yay!
Kumadto kami ha Chinese cemetery para hamas for tatay because it's his birthday. And after hamas, we celebrated or had a simple lunch at Phil Chai. Pero waray ko ma-vlog ang food hin maupay guys. But the food is delicious. My favorite was the sweet and sour pork. Pork nga yan na to guys. Muna ko tuna and sweet and sour pork nga yan. So anyway, if you're visiting Phil Chai, i-try niyo ang sweet and sour pork. So again, diri ka talaga magugutom basta di ka Tacloban. And then we had a spontaneous trip to the farm at Ginchaman. Pero adi kami yan na Santa Fe to try the Bibu Kubu. Tama ba? Famous for their bibingka. In fairness, aesthetic itira tindahan didi and I like the aesthetic char. Pero yes, marasait bibingka. You should try it. The bibingka especial is also yummy. But mas marasa ya guys if fresh nyo ya kakaunon. If madara ka mo for pasalubong, make sure to reheat it before eating para marasa hiya. So amo ini yan ira bibingka special. So may dahiya toppings nga cheese ngan bukayo. So fast forward to Ginchaman. So amo na ni guys itira place. So may dali pizza, may coffee. They have a resto. Damo it pwede kauno didi guys. May dagyap nira pool. So syempre nag-snack lanay kami. So we had pizza, mozzarella sticks. I think we also ordered tacos. And of course coffee. Basta damo ka pwede i-order didi guys. So if you're a foodie, you'd love it here. For the coffee, didi kami nag-order ha Matchstick and Co. We had iced Spanish latte and may dagahap nira mga beans na baligya guys. And may da waray na merch na mga mugs. It's so cute. So ayun. So here is it's an open space. So fresh na fresh ang air. O diba dagmit la adalan kape. So nauubusan na ako yung waray guys. Lol. But yeah, we spent the afternoon here. Nagplano pa kami na magbo-barbecue kami ha Karigara, pero busog-busogan na kami. Kay damo mo nakaon di hagin siya main. So amo ito, wala na kami kanayon mag-barbecue, but we still went to Karigara to order Manalumans sikat nga pastillas, some roscas, and some other pasalubong items. But look at this pizza pie. O, 'di ba? Looks pa lang marasa na. So paglaway na lang nagyap ka mo. So before ko mga limtan guys, didi ka mo mag-order ng pizza ha Camp Pizza and Grill. And ayun, it's now time to go home. But first, let's get a little tour. Pwede ngayon ka mo mag-overnight didi guys. So this is a sample of their room. Pwede ko maturog didit imbugos nga pamilya sa kadamo hit beds and it's very spacious. Tapos pati nila CR, parang 4 doors sa dato nila CR. So, di ba? Bongga pa it view pag mag good morning ka nga da. Charot. Pero di ba, the bedroom is very nice. So you can stay here overnight and check in dito sa room na ito. It looks like it came out from Pinterest. Di ba, bongga. So, amin ni Ret CR na kinyayakan nga damo it doors. Yan. So, pwede kong magdurungan ng karigo. Di ba? So clean and bright. So, next time, let's overnight here. But not today. Wala tayong budget at wala tayong time. So, nag-walking lang kami didi guys. Not much activity, but actually, pwede ka mo mag-ATV nga, di But, waray kami mag-ATV because it's raining. So, nagbinaklayo na lanay kami and then watching mga bunnies. So, it's just a chill trip. Basta nagtikalagas na, amo na ito it mga tripping, dire na mga very adventurous. And we're now at Carigara and this is the famous old house ni Manalumen nga may da mga birds. Amo aday ni bird's nest? So, I really don't know guys. Don't quote me on that. Mula adad nak video ngayon dito kan da Manalumen. But yeah, we're back in the city and watching news sa mga oldies. Charot. Syempre, ay agenda didi, kaon nagliliwat. Lord, salamat! Tapos, nangalimot na ako mag-video through the entire night. And this is the morning after. Pero may ko ini nakikita ha TikTok, ini nga generation bread. So, finally, matatry na nato. But guys, it's on the pricier side pala. Pero in fairness, marasa naman hiya guys. Syempre, for the gram, Aesthetic Cafeteria Cafe. Diba? Sino ka dyan sis? So, nag-breakfast lang kami didi guys. And then, umuli na liwat ito ha Airbnb to get ready. Because birthday na ni nanay later that evening. So, aside itira breakfast meals guys, they are also famous for their croissant and other pastries. So, diri pa available ang tarts early morning. So, we're gonna try the mango float cake. So, gi-celebrate ko nalagyap it birthday ni Jungkook with this mango float cake. And marasa naman hiya, guys. There was a mass again, guys, before the birthday celebration of Nanay. And then, it was time to party. Diba? First time kong makawitness ng kuratsa. And ito pala yung guys.
Di masyadong prepared si Honorable Sampo.
Diba? Apil ko sa namunit sa 50 pesos, guys. Pero, akong giuli, syempre, guys. Sad ta. Nagbisaya, nasad ko balik. Anyway, amo yung hira magburok to.
Go, Nay! Ako na ng iyaw dish. Go, Nay! Go, Nay! Hindi na nakaka-concentrate. Okay, ayan nga. Alright. And with that, we all wish that your wish come true.
Wala tasa sa wish.
Damo. Alright! Yay! A round of applause, please. Of course.
And just like that, we're going home na. Pero syempre, before kami mauli, makaot na liwat kami didi. This house has so many childhood memories for me and my cousins. A lot of meals were shared here in this very kitchen. And there's Nanay always cooking. So if you ever visit Tacloban City, guys, you can actually taste my Nanay's cakes. Her specialty is her mango cake. Pwede niyo siya kaunan dito sa Rosario's Kitchen at Astrodome. So, adi na kami sa airport, about to go home. And that's it for today's vlog. And I hope you enjoyed this. Kung wala mo kasabot guys, sorry na lang pose. And thank you so much for watching. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Until the next one, take care. Literally 3 wins in a row. Ingon ana mi ka competitive guys. After the touchdown Davao, we had a quick dinner here at Chef G's. So they are famous for the kansi. Pwede mo order with bone marrow or without the bone marrow. So ikaw na bahala. But lami siya guys. So you should try if wala pa ka-try. Naiwala na orient. Nga dili magsamok-samok kay naga-video me. Okay, bye for real. Bye guys.